how to print Easyjet boarding pass online. The first things first is you'll have to download Easyjet from the Google Play Store. So simply pull up your Google Play Store from here and just simply type in Easyjet. Now this is gonna be the software or application that you need to be downloading. Now once everything is set up and downloaded, install it and make sure that you do have an account with Easyjet. Now if you don't have an account, of course you can go ahead and register one. Now for you to be able to have or to print out a boarding pass on Easyjet, you'll have to check in online first. So for you to be able to do that, once you're logged in, you go ahead to trips and your booking details should be visible by here, and just simply type in add a booking. You'll have to input your booking reference and then as well as your last name and choose on add booking now if it's going to be your flight time, then you'll have to check in using the EasyJet application. Now once you have successfully checked in online using this software or app right here, your boarding pass should be right side from your booking details on your checked in. That's it. That's how you print your boarding pass on EasyJet Online.